What if I told you that just one simple exercise, done daily for 30 days, could completely transform your core strength, improve your posture, and even help you achieve a toned, sculpted midsection? Sounds too good to be true, right? But that's exactly what the 30-day plank challenge can do for you. And the best part? It requires no equipment, no gym, and no complicated movements, just your own body weight and a few minutes of consistency each day. Yet, this one exercise engages multiple muscle groups at the same time, working not just your abs but also your back, shoulders, arms, glutes, and legs. Over the next 30 days, as you increase your plank hold time gradually, you will build endurance, boost strength, and reshape your core like never before. But let's be honest, when you first start this challenge, it won't be easy. If you've never held a plank before, even 20 or 30 seconds might feel like a struggle. Your arms may shake, your core might burn, and you might feel like dropping to the floor. But this is normal. It's your body's way of telling you that it's waking up muscles that have been underused. The key here is progression every day. As you push yourself a little further, your body adapts, and you get stronger. What seems difficult on day 1 will feel completely different by day 10. And by day 30? You'll be amazed at how much you've improved. Now, let's talk about why the plank is such an incredible exercise. Unlike sit-ups or crunches, which mostly target the front of your abs, planks engage your entire core, including your deep stabilizing muscles, obliques, and lower back. This makes it one of the best exercises for overall core strength and stability. A strong core isn't just about having visible abs, it's about improving your balance, coordination, and posture. If you spend long hours sitting at a desk or looking at your phone, you might already experience lower back pain, poor posture, or stiffness. This happens because weak core muscles fail to support your spine properly, leading to slouching and discomfort. But planks fix this problem. By strengthening the muscles that hold you upright, planks help reduce back pain, improve spinal alignment, and make you stand taller and more confidently. What happens to your body during this 30-day challenge? White heavy checkmark week 1, you'll feel your core muscles engaging in ways you've never felt before. Your arms and shoulders will also be working hard to keep your body stable. Holding a plank will feel tough at first, but each day, you'll notice small improvements. White heavy checkmark week 2, you'll start feeling stronger. Your core will feel tighter, your posture will improve, and your endurance will increase. Holding a plank for longer will still be challenging, but it won't feel impossible anymore. White heavy checkmark week 3, the results will become undeniable. You'll start seeing visible improvements, a firmer, more defined core, improved posture, and greater confidence in your movements. White heavy checkmark week 4, by now, you're holding a plank for over 2 minutes with ease. What once seemed impossible is now your new normal. Your entire body feels stronger, and your mindset has shifted. You now know that with consistency, you can achieve anything. How to do the challenge. The challenge is simple. Start by holding a plank for 20 to 30 seconds on day 1 and gradually increase your time each day. By day 30, you should aim for a 2-minute or longer plank hold. If you're a beginner, start with a basic forearm plank. If you want to make it harder, try side planks, raised leg planks, or weighted planks. The benefits of the 30-day plank challenge. Fire stronger core. Planks target your entire core, giving you abs of steel. Fire better posture. No more slouching, your back will be stronger, and you'll stand taller. Fire reduced back pain. Strengthening your core helps protect your spine and lower back. Fire improved balance and stability. A strong core improves coordination in all movements. Fire increased mental toughness. Holding a plank teaches you discipline and endurance. This challenge is not just about getting a six-pack, it's about building true core strength that supports your entire body. And the best part? You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or hours of training. Just a few minutes a day, commitment, and determination. So, are you ready to take on the 30-day plank challenge and unlock the true power of your core? Stick with us, follow the step-by-step progression, and watch as your body transforms in ways you never imagined. Let's do this!